Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's makeup, I want to do like a cotton candy look. I'm feeling very colorful today. I want to use some pinks and blues and purple. So let's get started. Before I start, I'm gonna apply my sunscreen. It is super sunny today, so I have to apply a generous amount of sunscreen. I'm first gonna use my foundation. This is Cushion Foundation by harrooyy, which is their glow one. And I'm just applying this all over. Now just quickly powdering my face. Let's move on to the eyes now. I think what I wanna do is do pink, blue, and then purple. I was going to add just pink and blue, but I do wanna add a purple. So let's see. Okay, so first for the crease, I'm actually going to take this orangey color, and this is just going to be like a base for the crease. I picked orange because it's the closest to my skin tone. Not that I'm saying I have orange skin, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna start from my inner corners and move outward. So next I'm going to apply this pink shade, and this color is just gonna go right here. For some reason today, I just felt like wearing colorful makeup. I think it's because the weather. The weather is so sunny and so summery that I just wanna have colorful eyes today. Now for the blue, I'm gonna take this color, applying it on the center. And lastly, I'm going to take this purple color right here. This is gonna go on the outer corner of my eyes. I was debating if I should use like a dark purple, but I think I'm just gonna keep it pastel. I feel like my eye look right now looks like one of the pride flags. I don't know which one. If you guys know which flag has these colors, please comment them below so I know. I'm just gonna blend everything together. Okay, now I don't know what to do with my bottom lash line. I might just go with the brown. I'm going to take this brown and applying it on my bottom lash line. For my inner corners, I'm going to take this white shimmery color. Just going to apply it right here. Also going to apply some on the bottom. All right, let's line my eyes now. Taking my gray pencil liner, and I'm just going to tight line. I still didn't get a sharpener for my pencil. That is why I'm using this, but it's okay because it still works. Before I line my eyes, I'm going to curl my lashes. So to line my eyes, I'm just going to use my tinting eyeliner, only because like I don't want a thick heavy line. I just want like a small line like this. And with the color that I used for my lower lash line, I'm just going to extend that to the line that I drew. And to make my eyes look bigger, I'm just going to enhance my eye fat. I like have to do this now because I feel like if I don't, my eye just looks a lot smaller. And this just helps make it look bigger. To highlight, I'm gonna take the white and then just apply it right here. You could tell that this looks a lot more intense than this one. Alright, so I just applied the individual lashes and I think I'm getting the hang of it. Once I get used to it, maybe I'll do a video on how to apply individual lashes. But the key is not to apply mascara. I find that like when I apply mascara and put on the individual lashes, it just doesn't work because the glue kind of holds on to the hair, and if there's mascara on it, the glue doesn't stick to the mascara. So I find that if you want to use individual lashes, just don't apply mascara. And they just look really natural. I was really happy that I like got them to work, so I wanted to apply more. I don't want to go too hard with my lashes, so I just kept it simple. The only bad thing about individual lashes is that when you remove it, it's like so much work to remove it. Whereas like a strip lash, you could just like remove it all at once. So my visit to LA was a lot of fun. I tried to vlog, but it just didn't happen. I was too in the moment to record and vlog. We went there to see a friend, and the friend convinced us that we should move to LA. So we're still thinking about it, but I think we're gonna do it. He was saying that like we should experience it. If we move to the OC area, we're always gonna live in the OC and we're not gonna venture out into like different parts of the state or even like the country. So for a year, we're gonna live in LA and see if we like it. If we don't like it, we could always come back because we're renting, we're not buying. So I'm very, very excited. This is a very big decision for the both of us. We are definitely downsizing. Like, we're moving to a studio. The rent in LA is ridiculous, so there's no way we're getting a 1-bedroom. So we are getting a studio. I think we'll be okay. I think we'll just have a very minimalist lifestyle. So pretty much we're starting a new chapter and I am very excited. I think I'll be vlogging a lot more once I move because there's like a lot to do there. Feel free to subscribe to my vlogging channel. I'll leave the link below, and I think this will be a very good opportunity for both of us. For me, I'm very excited because I could say that I lived in a lot of major cities like Seoul, Toronto, now LA. I don't think I could say I lived in Vancouver. I've like been there a lot to kind of know it, but yeah, we're very excited to move and we're buying like new furnitures and new appliances. It'll be very exciting. Lastly, for my lips, I think I'm gonna go with the balm. I think I'm just gonna go with a nice lip balm. I don't want the lip to overpower the look. All right, so this is my final look. Just a very fun look today. Thank you so much for joining me in this get ready with me. Comment below your favorite soda. I like, what do I like? Like cream soda is really good, root beer is really good, Dr. Pepper is really good. But comment yours below, subscribe to my channel, and also subscribe to my vlog channel because I'll be posting more once I move. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!